Guys, today we're making one of my favorites, the crispy, delicious, delectable 1,000-layer potato. Join me, let's go.
Okay, first things first, let's go ahead and peel our potatoes. I use Russet potatoes for this recipe, but you can use Yukon Golds as well. Next, you want to go ahead and slice a piece of parchment paper to fit your loaf pan. Go ahead and light our baking tray. Then we need to mandolin our potatoes. Go ahead and slice your potatoes about 1/8 of an inch thick. We're going to want to mix our potatoes with about 8 ounces of chicken fat. What we want to do is shingle our potatoes layer by layer. Also make sure you're seasoning each layer with salt. Now add the rest of your chicken fat. I will cover. Wrap a foil. Bake until soft all the way through. Something flat. Place it right on top. Press it down. Put something slightly heavy to weigh it down, and then we'll put this in the fridge to let it set overnight. Okay, the next day, once our potatoes have set up in the fridge overnight, you want to take a sheet pan, go ahead and flip over your loaf pan, and then you want to slightly warm up the potatoes with a blowtorch. You can also stick them in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will help release the potatoes. You want to go ahead and peel back your parchment paper and then go ahead and cut your potatoes into like-sized wedges. I did mine about 2 inches thick. Next, we'll fry off our potatoes at 350 degrees until golden brown and delicious. Alright, and then lastly, finally, let's finish our potatoes. I just topped them with a little Maldon Sea Salt, some fresh cracked pepper, a little bit of minced chives, some creme fraiche, and some sliced radish.